Hey everybody, as you guys can see from the last video I did, I am still sitting at the Swift terminal in Lancaster, Texas. And as I said on that video, I will be recording the my earnings for last month. And as I show everything on my channel, I'm going to be posting all my pay stubs for last month on this video at the end. And we're just gonna go about them real quick. If you have not been on one of my live video feeds, you should, get up on there, kind of watch. It's open. I share everything, I tell all. Yeah, it is what it is, right? So here's a spreadsheet. This spreadsheet will be screen grabbed onto my YouTube channel. That is just like a breakdown of my monthly earnings. Sometime next month, I might, sit down and kind of go month by month by month, talk about what I could have done better, things that could have been a little bit more efficient. As I, go along in the months, I've learned, better efficiencies. I'm getting better at training. I'm getting better at a lot of things. And so, we'll sit down, we'll kind of talk about it on a yearly thing once we get my last year's, this year's end total gross amount. So that video will be coming out in like 30 days, give or take. Unless you guys want one, from November backwards. I don't know. Oh, somebody just messaged me on Facebook. So yeah, that's kind of what that's there. This spreadsheet will be at the very end of the video, so you guys can pause it, take a look at it. But we're gonna take a look at my pay stubs, which I have conveniently saved and about to put on the full screen right here. So let's do that. Okay, so this first pay period, you can see up in check dates 1102. This is back when I had Dopey Duck and I was up in New York with all my truck issues. Still made a fairly decent check, as you guys can see and tell. So if we look, the important part, or for that spreadsheet that you guys will see at the end, where underneath earnings, you'll see the per diem and then the gross pay. Swift, they charge you a little bit for your per diem and they take it out of your per diem. So, you can see there's a difference between the reimbursement and the per diem that they take out. I actually use the per diem before they take anything out, like I do with my taxes. So it's gross income. But you can see in the bottom kind of what my check amount is. I want to make sure I got that in there, just for the sake of, transparency. I want to show everything. And you can see everything that I'm paying, all my taxes, all that kind of good stuff. Find another YouTuber that will do this, all right? Anyway, you can see the mileage and the mileage pay and all that. So yeah, that's what this month was. Student number 8 and me, we knocked out a decent week. I could have worked a little bit more, made a little bit of a higher paycheck, but you know what? We're talking about almost $3,000 one week. That's not too shabby, not too shabby. Then we go into the second period, which is, or second check of this month, which, dated 1109. This is when I dropped off that student. I went home, kind of took some home time, took life a little bit easy. I was just enjoying myself. Yeah, it was still not too bad. 1,000 take home. Oh, that was the other thing. All right, you see this bonus right here? That's actually a referral bonus. That was not anything Swift or work related. That's from my YouTube money. People that are joining Swift through my channel. Of course, being transparent, I want to let you guys know what that bonus was for. Then going to the third check, dated 11/16. This is when I picked up my number 9 student and started running him out the first week. I'm really just worried about, training him, getting him set up where he needs to be, and just overall things like that. you can kind of see, you know, the pay wasn't great, but you know what? That first week with the student, I don't care about what I make. That first week, most important job for me is to train that student. And then you can see I trained them fairly well. You know, we had a good 25,000 plus week, which net me right around $2,000, as you guys can see. You know, taxes do take out a decent amount on me, but yeah, still not a real bad week. And again, you can see the numbers. You can pause this at any point. You know, the only thing I've edited out was my address, because it has my home address. And then going into the third check for this, or not third, and then going into the final check for this month, you can see it was another $2,000 check going straight to my bank account. The, you know, total, it was, what is that, $2,700 gross. That's not too bad, not too bad at all. But yeah, I mean, that is complete transparency right there, y'all. Can't get any better than that, or at least I don't think so. And yeah, that's all I gotta say for that. So just got done doing the slides for the video. I'm about to, you know, sit down, start to cut it, edit, do all that. Then I'm gonna go inside the terminal, probably get something to eat, drink, maybe shower. I got some more laundry I'm gonna try to get done while I'm here. Then I'll be picking up student number 10. Student number 10 only needs 50 to 100 hours, so I'm gonna run him out. And then I got student number 11. He's up in the high northwest area of the US. So he'll be getting here right around the time I should be getting done with him, and everybody's, you know, happy. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed at the beginning of this video, this is where I'm gonna say there's a lot of good content coming. I got a lot of content I need to record. I keep forgetting about recording. I need to write it down. But subscribe. Thumbs up if you like the video. Go down in the comment section, let me know how I photoshopped all those pays, because, you know, I would like to know that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, like, rate, subscribe, and share this video. Let's show people that you can actually make money at Swift, right? And yeah, that's all I gotta say. Take care, have a good one. Make money, right? No, not really. Enjoy life.